In this video, I'll show you how to assemble your steel challenge cap to fit a 2x4. First, put a bolt through each one of the holes on one of the side pieces. Then place a spacer on each one of the bolts. Next, we need to put the center assembly that holds the target on the bolts. After that, now we need to place another spacer on each one of the bolts. Now it's time to put the other side on and lightly screw the nuts onto the bolts. Lastly, slide the cap onto the 2x4, then tighten down the nuts and bolts so it all clamps together. You're going to need a wrench and a drill to do this. Now you are ready to hang your steel challenge targets. Get to shooting and let freedom ring.